Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Barbara Delmonica, and today we are talking about a summer, and really all season, but specifically summer must-have. It's going to change your beach days, it's going to change your pool days, it's going to change your travel or like on the town Disney World days, you name it. Any place you go that you have to carry stuff, it's going to change. Let's face it, beach days are the best to most people. I hate the beach, but most people like it. I love the pool, the beach, the sand. Not a fan. But 99% of you like the beach. But beach, pool days, whatever it is, can be a little bit of a hassle because like you have so many things you have to remember to carry. You have your bag, you have your sunblock, you have your shorts, then you have like your underwear to put on after you swim, then you have like, you know, your hat, then you have your sunglasses and your backup sunglasses, then you have your Coke. It gets to be a lot. And then if you have curly hair, add on top of it, you now have to bring all these like products to make sure that your hair is safe in the pool or the ocean, yada, 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 yada. Keeping track of everything is a nightmare. Dealing with tangled hair after you swim, the struggle is real. That's actually probably my least favorite part of going into any body of water. I literally love going into pools. I love a pool. I just bought a house with a pool for that specific reason. But my gosh, the tangles when you get out. So, what if I told you there was a secret weapon that could solve all of these beach day woes? So I present to you the Silk Scrunchie with hidden compartments. This little beauty is about to be your best friend, let me tell you why. This is the Soulta Satin Secret Scrunchie. The no frizz Secret Scrunchie is the perfect accessory to a modern curly girl that enjoys her freedom. It has a hidden compartment where you can keep coins, credit cards, lipstick, even a spray bottle with leave-in conditioner so you can use it after you get out of the pool. This is perfect. And you actually will be surprised about how much this thing can fit. You can fill it with all of your things, add it to your wrist, and go on with your day. It's great for the beach, pool days, festivals, any of those situations like sporting events or anything where people don't allow bags, you name it. This great scrunchie is inside of Curls Monthly this month. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, I'm gonna make sure to link that below so you can check it out. For less than $22 a month, I will send you 5+ of the best curly hair products and accessories so you can try them on your curly hair and watch these videos to go along with it. So yes, these scrunchies hold a lot. You can add them to your wrist. It's super easy, but why satin? I've actually made an entire video about the benefits of silk and satin, and I will make sure to link that. But unlike regular hair ties, silk and satin are super gentle on your hair. This will help prevent breakage and frizz. And I know what you're thinking, like, yeah, just another thing for me to buy. I'm telling you, when I first started my curly hair journey and I realized the difference that this makes on growth, I swear to this day that it has made the biggest difference. Then of course, there is the secret compartment. This is where the real magic of this scrunchie lies. And if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, you might find a little ticket inside. This little built-in pouch can hold all of your beach or pool or just day-to-day essentials. We're talking cash, credit cards, bobby pins, anything you need to keep safe and sand-free. So let's get glam. Not only is this scrunchie functional, but it's also like my favorite color known to man. So I'm gonna show you some ways I like to style it in the summer. You can of course rock the classic messy bun, a cute little braid, ponytail. What I really love to do on the beach is wear this very protective style because if you wear it loose like this, it won't pull the curls, so your curls last days and days. The possibilities are endless. So whether you're planning a real beach trip or you like the pool just like me, this scrunchie is really a must-have. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried a scrunchie with hidden compartments and what you think. What I also think is cool is the brand Soulta was on Shark Tank, so we love a Shark Tank brand. They also make these other cool types of hair accessories that are primarily satin and silk. Like one thing that they make is that very viral sort of like hooded dryer cap that you put on and then you attach your diffuser and then it like blows up and you look like Mojo Jojo from the Powerpuff Girls, but it dries your hair. That is from this brand. So definitely check them out. Of course, we'll link their website below and we'll see you next time.